DP Calendario Task Cards Answer Sheet. How to do this. So it says, open this doc to see the questions, then put your answers on the correct number below. So let's go ahead and open that. This will automatically take you to the Calendario task cards. You'll have to go through, there are 5 slides. You're going to have to go through to get them. Number 1 says name 3 months of winter. So then you would go in here and you would type in whatever months you want, right? So in Spanish, months of winter would be at least December, January, and February, right? And then next one, what comes next, blah, blah, blah. So if you read through, it just gives you absolutely everything you need. If it asks you a question like this, it wants you to answer. If it gives you something like this, what holiday is on el primero de enero? You're going to have to figure that one out. So really all you need to do is read through each of the questions and it will tell you exactly what it is looking for. Make sure when you get to these where it says fix the errors, el 1 de enero, there might be more than one error. Mi cumpleaños es agosto 29, right? So find those errors and you're going to be adding in your answers on that other page. So again, fix the errors or what holiday is close to this date. So just read through those. It'll all make sense. I'm looking now and we only have 30 questions. So I'm actually going to delete the rest so it won't even look like this on yours. But that is how you do the DP Calendario Task Cards Answer Sheet homework.